In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Etsy shop title. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to choose a name that fits Etsy's rules and your brand. Start by opening a fresh browser window and searching for Etsy. Look for the official Etsy.com result. If you see ads at the top, scroll to the official site to avoid any lookalikes. Click through to Etsy and sign into your account. Make sure you're using the account that owns the shop you want to update. If you're prompted for additional verification, complete that so you can access your seller tools. Once you're signed in, head to your shop manager. You'll find it in the main navigation after logging in. This is your dashboard for all shop settings. On the left-hand side, choose Settings. This menu controls the core details of your shop, then select Info and Appearance. This section is where your public-facing shop details live, so it's the right place for updating what buyers see. Next, find the shop name line and click Change. This opens the field where you'll enter your new name. Sometimes people casually call this their shop title, but this setting is specifically your shop's name. Type your new choice into the box. Etsy enforces a few important rules. Your shop name can be up to 20 characters long. It cannot include spaces or punctuation, and Etsy will automatically check if the name is available. If a name is already taken, try a short variation, a unique word, or a clear descriptor that still feels on-brand. A few quick tips as you choose. Pick something memorable, simple to pronounce, and relevant to what you sell. Since you can't use spaces or punctuation, consider capitalizing the first letter of each word to improve readability where your name is displayed. Keep it short and clear so customers can easily search for it and recognize it at a glance. When you're happy with the new name and it passes the availability check, click Save. You should see a confirmation that the change went through. Give your shop page a quick refresh and review your storefront header to make sure everything looks the way you expect. The change becomes visible to buyers, so double-check spelling before saving. If you ever run into a name that won't pass the rules or is unavailable, try trimming extra words, switching word order, or using a distinctive term that still matches your brand. That's it. Open Etsy, sign in, go to Shop Manager, Settings, Info and Appearance, change the shop name, and save. Thanks for watching, and good luck picking a name your customers will remember.